All right, guys. So I'm trying to change the form of my. I'm trying to change the form of my lessons. Okay, I want to be going through the entire songs. Okay, so that you can get a full picture. I think I'm done teaching just the chords and just little licks. Okay, let's go through the whole songs. You know, let's do of a whole experience of the worship process. All right. So I think we should do that these days. I will still do licks, breakdowns, and chord progression and stuff. But let's go through the whole song. So for this song, we're in the key of A. The progression is 4, 1, 5, 6. 4, 1, 5, 6 is the progression. 4, 1, 5, and 6. One, 5, 6. Five, 6. So I want to do vibrato, okay? Let's do vibrato. So what did I do over there? The vibrato, right? I just did. So to do vibrato, the way I like to do it is to do it on the higher octave and slide, okay? Do it on the higher octave and slide. All you gotta do is let your finger go across the fret and back. It doesn't gotta go far, just right across the fret and back. That's vibrato, okay? So I like to put it in a space of the beat. So you are here. You see? So I did the progression. And I did the vibrato quickly. And then went back to it. See that? What did I do over there? I did 6, 7, 1, 6, 5, 2, 4. That's just a little lick I always do. 6, 7, 1, 6, 5, 2, 4. Yeah, another one is this. From the 5 to go to the 6, I always do this. 5, 1, 5, 2, 6. So, do, so, re, la. So, do, so, re, la. that one was this. On the 6, I did this. On the 6, what? You see? So 6, you just do the chromatic scale, okay? From T to La, T to La, Mi Ti to La, Mi Ti to La. Same thing, okay? Mi Ti to La. So another thing I want you to learn is that when you're playing the bass, you are not just playing progressions, okay? You are playing a melody. You are playing a part of the song. So don't just follow, play along with the song. However, play your own thing, okay? Play with the drummer, play with the song, but play your own thing at the same time. You are not just playing, you are not just following, you are playing with them. So you should find your own groove, even in worship. Find your groove and play your groove. Then when the song is rising, you rise too. What did I do there? I did this. 6. So from the La, because the song went from La to Fa. So from the La, I did La, and I did Re Sol La, Re Sol La, Re Mi, La Ti Do Mi Fa. Okay? Re Sol La, Re Mi, La Ti Do Mi Fa. Re Sol La, Re Mi, So La Ti Do Mi Fa. Alright, I'll do it again. I was too late. Just like that. All right. Thanks for watching another video. We'll be back with you. We'll be back to you with more, okay? So tell me if you like the style. If you don't like it, I can change it. But if you like it, I will continue with, okay? I will continue just playing through the whole song and teaching you as I go through.
At HTML affiliates.
Because a lot of times, many things come to my head, but I don't really teach you because I try to teach you a specific thing. So the fact that I'm recording the whole song, I can teach you more, okay? Because what I'm practicing, so many things come to my head. But I usually don't teach you those things because I focus on just a single part of it. So if you like this way, tell me. I can continue it. If you don't like it, we'll try to change it, okay? Please subscribe for more.